Anna, if you're still there, how may we help you?
Yeah. Hi, how are you? I'm here.
Well,
Okay, so my husband started having an affair maybe like 2 years ago,
hmm
and it was very traumatic for me. We have been together for 25 years.
hmm
Um, I completely there was a lot of things that happened, so I thought my marriage is over, so I stepped out of my marriage,
with
and then I
with one
realized it was
person or
wrong.
more than one person?
One person,
Okay, and was that an
and
emotional connection or primarily vengeance?
vengeance, I guess. I didn't feel anything.
Gotcha. I
I just
understand.
did it because I was mad at
I,
God.
I understand. And how long did that last?
Maybe like 3 weeks.
Oh, okay. Now, if I'm seeing the screen correctly, it says that he's coming back in and out of your life right now. Is that correct?
Yes, he moved out a year ago, but he comes home, he watches TV with me, he has dinner with me, and I guess I'm just wondering if if this is repairable. He tells me he cannot, he will never forgive me, but he does call me and tells me he loves me, he
Okay.
misses me,
But he
but
had
he
the
has made
affair
it clear
first,
I'm
correct?
never coming back.
He had the affair first.
Correct.
Is he still involved with that
Yes,
person?
I believe on and off. I don't ask any questions anymore, but I believe so.
Okay, so when he
On and
says
off.
he can't forgive you, do you think that's because of the fact that if he forgave you, he'd have to give up the other woman?
Yes, yes,
Okay.
yes, I'm sure.
Have you gently, not in a condemning, fighting way, but have you gently asked him that?
No, I mean, we have had conversations, but it always ends up in an argument,
Well, that's not
and
going to
there's
do any
times
good.
where he tells me,
Yeah, arguing's not going to do
right,
any
and
good.
then he tells me no, and then he tells me sometimes he tells me if you could just forgive me, if you could just forgive me. So it's really double
Okay, let
minded.
me make sure I'm getting
I
this
would
straight.
think.
He doesn't believe that you have forgiven him. Is that correct?
Yes,
And so he says, because I don't feel that you've forgiven me, then he's saying, therefore, I'm not going to forgive you. Is that what you're saying?
yes, yes. I
Okay,
feel
so
like
why
yes,
don't you
in
forgive
a
him?
way. I have, but he doesn't think I have
He
because
doesn't feel forgiven.
I don't know.
So we're dealing with his guilt now, right?
I believe so. We spend Thanksgiving together, Christmas together. I don't bring up the other person,
And so
but he
when you
tells me
talk
that
when
he's
you're
always
not
gonna be there.
arguing, when you're not arguing, have you ever asked him this question in a general way, not to start an argument, like, what would I need to do for you to truly believe that I forgive you?
Yeah, I never thought about asking him that.
I didn't. I'm sorry. I
She
didn't.
said she never thought about asking him that. Well, Anna, I think that's a great place for you to start.
You sound like a pretty intelligent person, are you?
I believe so. Yes,
Good. You sound
I
bright to
hope
me.
so. Yes.
You see, sometimes you can get so close to the situation that you're reacting to it rather than backing up a couple of steps where you can kind of see the bigger picture. If he's not feeling forgiven, even though you said you forgive him and he's not feeling forgiven, then something's going on. And the only way you're going to find out what that is for him to tell you. And the only way you're going to get him to tell you is if you're gentle, calm, sweet, and saying, I really want to know what would I need to do for you to feel or believe that I truly forgave you or that I forgive you. And if you can have that conversation with him without getting angry, and if he gets defensive or angry, you stay in control. You be the strong one saying, no, no, I'm not here to fight. I'm not here to bring up the past. I'm not here to cause any hard feelings between us. I just find it important that you know that I forgive you. So help me understand what we need to do or I need to do to get there. And if you stay calm and continue to listen to what he says and don't react negatively, you've got a pretty good chance of finding out what it is. And when that happens, it's going to be an emotional moment. For both you and he, it's going to be an emotional moment. And that's when you can say to him, okay, we can do that. Now, what we need to do for you to forgive me. And this is definitely reparable. It can be fixed. We've seen this situation so many times. Yes, it can be fixed, but you're going to have to be the leader here, Anna. You're going to have to be strong and calm, and very gentle. But I think you can do this. Do you think you can do it?
Yes, I believe I can.
I believe in you, young lady. I think you can make this happen. And when you do make it happen, I want to know about it. I want you to tell me what you did and how it worked.
Okay, I sure will. Thank you so much.
You're very
I
welcome.
appreciate both of your help.
Thank you, Anna.
Take care.
Appreciate it.